Well, folks, it's about 2:30 or 2:20 here in Colorado, and the ride out from the TP Haven was really nice into the Gunnison. I think it's called. I forget what that forest is called, but that was really nice. Not a whole lot of traffic, but all day long we've been getting behind these long caravans of traffic. They all wanted the scenic route too, especially the RVs and campers. They really slow the traffic down quite a bit. So we are still quite a few hours away from Saratoga. We do have some pretty mountain views, snow-capped mountain views. Hopefully the camera's picking up on that. I enjoyed stopping at the Continental Divide at 11,000 feet above sea level. That was a pretty neat stop. It was cool up there. We had a picnic lunch, had bologna and cheese sandwiches, and drank water. I did have a Diet Coke. They have a store up there, and it's a neat little store. They sell fudge and hot dogs and nachos and popcorn, but then a tram takes you to a peak, the top of a peak, where you can take pictures. We didn't do that, but it's a neat stop anyway. We're on a detour actually from the road we were supposed to be on. I mean, we're going at a good pace. It's 60 miles an hour, but we slow down and speed up, slow down and speed up, that kind of thing. When you're behind traffic like this, it's a little exhausting. Hopefully it cools down a bit. It's about 90 degrees right now on the thermometer. I'm already thirsty and wanting some more water. It did start to rain a little up at the Continental Divide, but we didn't put on rain gear because we kind of just took our chances and thought that maybe the rain would stop. And it did as we went down the mountain. So we're going at a good pace right now. It's not too bad. Cloudy, so I'm wondering if we might run into some more weather. We shall see. It's all a part of the adventure. You know, take the stuff you love and enjoy on top of the stuff that you don't enjoy so much, like this traffic. Just make the best of it. It's part of the adventure. Still have beautiful views. Beautiful mountain views.